Alright, so I've just woken up, so excuse the hair, but I've just got some of these VEED video lighting kit. I'm trying to make some more videos. My room's a bit of a mess at the moment, but got this studio kind of setup thing going on. I'm gonna have a go at kind of setting it up. Oh yeah, there's no pictures in these frames yet, but I'm gonna have a go at setting this up and yeah, maybe do a review on these lighting, but I'm excited. So I've closed the blinds now and it's looking pretty good, to be fair. So I'm now behind the lights and to be honest, I thought it was gonna look better. I guess I don't know too much about lighting yet, but I always thought that you have one light directly under the camera, which that's where it is, and then you have like this one, like either on the side. But if someone could give me some advice, that would be good. I also bought this SmallRig to like go in the background for like I'd say like some colour ambience, but it's charging at the moment, so I won't get to use it. I think I might just cut the video and then wait for it to charge and carry on. Right, so I've charged the SmallRig. It's really good actually. It's this little thing. It's got like a little LED screen in the back and it's pretty bright, to be fair. But honestly, I can't figure this lighting thing out. So I just watched some videos quickly, and basically they're saying you have one to your right of your camera and then one to your left. Just doesn't give you that professional vibe that people have on YouTube. So these lighting fixtures I bought, like you can change the temperature, the color temperature of the light and the brightness, but it's just not quite giving. So if anyone's out there and they can give me some advice, I would be very grateful. But you know, I'm pretty excited, like studio setup, so hopefully I'll be making better videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.